There's a way you can spice things up by using the zoom feature in Storyline. You can use zoom to focus in on a particular section of an image, say a product or a section of a website. I often use a zoom region to focus on a particular product. That's what I'm doing here. On this slide, I've got two products. I want to do a close-up of product 1 here. So about a second in, I'm going to insert a zoom region on this particular product. So to insert a zoom region, go up to insert. Right below that you see zoom region. Click that, and then what Storyline will do is drop in this zoom region. You need to scale this down. The aspect ratio will remain intact once you do that. Scale it down and move it up over product 1 here. Looks good. We have a zoom region. If we go down to the timeline, you can see the zoom. The next thing we want to do is match the zoom with the description. So let's preview how this looks by pressing Shift plus F12. If it's slow or fast, you can always edit the zoom transition speed by right-clicking, going to Zoom Transition Speed, and adjusting it there. Consider using it whenever you want to focus the learner's eyes to a certain section of your slide. Alright, that's the end of working with content. Now let's move on to adding variables.